He looked into something no one had ever truly seen before, a hidden world inside everything, too small for the human eye, too quiet to be noticed, too mysterious to understand. But what he discovered changed science forever. This is the story of Robert Hooke, the man who first saw cells. Robert Hooke was not born strong. As a child, he was sick, weak, fragile. People didn't expect greatness from him. He couldn't run like others, couldn't play like others, spent most of his time alone. But in that silence, something powerful was growing: curiosity. He noticed things others ignored: tiny movements, small details, little patterns. While the world looked at the big picture, Hooke focused on the invisible, and that would become his greatest strength. As he grew older, his curiosity turned into obsession. He wanted to understand everything. He studied physics, biology, chemistry. He didn't limit himself. One question kept returning: what is everything made of? Not just what we see, but what we can't see. At that time, science was still developing. Many answers didn't exist. But Hooke wasn't afraid of the unknown. He chased it. Then came a tool that would change everything: the microscope. But early microscopes were weak, blurry, unclear, limited. Most people ignored them, but Hooke saw potential. He improved the design, made it sharper, stronger, more precise. And then he began to look, not at stars, not at planets, but at the smallest things on Earth, things no one had ever truly examined before. One day, Hooke placed a thin slice of cork under his microscope. At first, it looked ordinary, but when he focused, he froze. There were tiny structures, box-like shapes, repeated again and again and again, like a honeycomb. He had never seen anything like it. Small, empty spaces, organized, structured. He called them cells, a simple word inspired by small rooms, but this discovery was anything but simple. Hooke realized something extraordinary. Living things were not solid. They were made of tiny building blocks, cells, an invisible world inside every living organism. This idea changed biology forever. It opened the door to modern medicine, genetics, microbiology. Everything we know about life today started with that moment, looking at cork through a simple microscope. But Hooke's life wasn't easy. He faced criticism, competition, especially with Isaac Newton. They argued, disagreed, clashed often. Hooke's work was sometimes overlooked, his contributions not always fully recognized. Others became more famous, but Hooke never stopped. He kept exploring, kept questioning, kept discovering. Over time, his name faded, but his discovery didn't, because every living thing still begins with a cell. Robert Hooke teaches us something powerful. Big discoveries can come from small things. Sometimes you just need to look closer, because what seems invisible might be the key to understanding everything.